Hi, my dear friends, well-wishers, colleagues. Hearty welcome to our Square Maths YouTube channel. This is Santosh. So, we discussed so far our squares and cubes pattern, various types on number series, part 1 and part 2. Now here part 3, third part. So, in third part we are going to discuss some more series based on the cubes itself. So, type 7, n cube minus 1 series. As you know very well, n cube nothing but multiplying the same number thrice, nothing but 3 times. So n cube minus 1. So it's a statement that series in which each term is obtained by subtracting 1 from the cube of a number. You have to subtract 1 from the cube of the number. First you cube it, then subtract 1. Such type of series are said to be n cube minus 1 series. So now find out the missing term in the series. Let us go for the example related to this. So 0, 7, 26, 63, 124, 215 and the next term. Okay, so with the previous knowledge of n square plus 1, n square minus 1, etc. You have to go through step by step. Next, if you are not going to get, let us check for cubes. Cube, n cube. Even though you won't get here because n cube minus 1 series, let us go for 1. If you try for 1 cube, nothing but 1, it is 0. Next, try for 2 cube, nothing but 2 into 2 into 2, 8, but here it is 7. Next, 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, 27, but here it is 26. So by observing this one, each term is obtained by cubing the term and subtracting from 1 it. So let us follow now. Our series is, first of all, write down n cube minus 1. Okay. So 1 cube minus 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 cube minus 1 nothing but here n is equal to 1. We got 0 the first term. Next, n is equal to 2. Here n is equal to 1 here. N is equal to 2 implies 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 8 minus 1 gives you 7. Next, n is equal to 3. Okay. So 3 cube minus 1, 27 minus 1 gives you 26. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, minus 1 is 26 we got. Next, n is equal to 4 gives you 4 cube minus 1, nothing but 64 minus 1 is 63 we got the next term. So n is equal to 5 and n is equal to 6 also we check. Sometimes you may not get. So don't go hurriedly for n is equal to 7 or 8 itself. Okay. So n is equal to 5. 5 cube minus 1 it is 125. 5 cube is minus 1 is 124. Again we got. Next n is equal to 6. So 6 cube minus 1, 216 minus 1 is 215. Finally, n is equal to 7. 7 cube minus 1. 7 into 7 into 7, 7 7 is 49. 49 7 is 343 minus 1 gives you 342. So if you observe carefully the terms here, we got 0 and here also 0, next 7, 7, 26, 26, 63, 63, 124, 124, 125, 125. Finally, we got here 342. So, right from n is equal to here up to here, our condition is satisfied for the series, for the given terms here. Hence, the missing term is given by 342. So, for n is equal to 7 we got. So therefore 342 is our missing term of the series n cube minus 1. Next, here next type we are going to discuss n cube plus n series. So what is the meaning of n cube plus n series? Each term of a series is a sum of cube of a number with its cube. Okay. So consider a number, cube it and add the same number. Such type of series are said to be n cube plus n series. Find out the missing term of the series. So before the knowledge of this one, n cube plus n, so for the given problem, let us check it. 2, 10, 12, 30 and the missing term 130 and 222. Okay, so with your previous knowledge, go for squares and cubes. Okay, so here for cubes, n cube, nothing but 1 cube, 1, next 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, etc. But here applying n cube plus n series, so n is equal to 1 implies 1 cube plus 1, 1 plus 1 gives you 2. Now in the same way, n is equal to 2 implies 2 cube plus 2, 8 plus 2, nothing but 10. Next, n is equal to 3, 3 cube plus 3, 27 plus 3 gives you 30. Next, n is equal to 4, 4 cube plus 4, 64 plus 4 gives you 65, 68. Next, coming for n is equal to 5. So don't pick up the answer. Since we have 2 more terms, check it for that also. So n is equal to 5, 5 cube plus 5, 125 plus 5 is 130. Next, n is equal to 6, 6 cube plus 6, 6 cube is 216 plus 6, nothing but 222. If you observe carefully here, we got all the terms. So 2, 10, 30, so 2, 10, 30. Next our missing term. So let us check the remaining. So 2, 10, 30 we got here, and we got 130 and 222 also. Hence the missing term. Now the given series is obtained by n is equal to 4 for n cube plus n. So 68 is our missing term. So hence our missing term is 68. So now type 7 n cube minus 1 series and type 8 n cube plus n series. So far we discussed 2 series. You can have a look. So type 9 n cube minus n series. Each term of a series is obtained by subtracting a number from its cube. So cube the number, subtract the same number, okay, from it. Okay, so find out the missing term of the series 0, 6, 24, 60, 120 and the missing number. Okay, since it is n cube minus n, we have to start. So before starting, check it whether it applies for n square or n cube or n square plus 1 or n square minus 1 or n square plus n, n cube plus n, etc. So after various types, let us check here n cube minus n. So solution, what is our type? N cube minus n series is our type. Okay, so now n is equal to 1. 1 cube minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So we got our first term. So n is equal to 2. 2 cube minus 2, 8 minus 2 is 6. Next, n is equal to 3. 3 cube minus 3, 27 minus 3, nothing but 24. Again we got. So n is equal to 4 next. 4 cube minus 4, 64 minus 4 is next. Here it is 60. So after checking, n is equal to 5, 120 and n is equal to 6, don't go directly. Please check it for n is equal to 5 also. Sometimes it may be different. That type of problems also we are going to discuss later. So n is equal to 5. So 5 cube minus 5, 125 minus 5 is nothing but 120. Next, n is equal to 6. 6 cube minus 6, 216 minus 6. Okay, it is 210. Now let us go through our illustration. So for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, we got the same 24, 24 again. So next n is equal to 5 here. Next n is equal to 6, our 210. For n is equal to 6, we got our 210, the missing term. Okay, so Type 9 NQ minus N series. Go for each and every substitution. So how you will go through it? You should have the basic knowledge of the previous series, the patterns, various types what we discussed. So each and every video lecture plays very important role. By doing this type of problems, you will get the logical thinking. You can motivate your children, 6th, 7th, 8th class students and various competitive level examination. Those are going for to attempt their career examinations. So find the missing term of the series. Its answer is 210 NQ minus N series. So we can have a look. So please viewers and my well wishers, after watching the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Thank you.